If you've been opening Temu and thinking, where is everyone finding this free gift feature? You're not the only one. I asked myself the exact same question. I watched videos where people had free gift banners everywhere. Meanwhile, my app looked completely different. No obvious reward section, no exciting offers, nothing. So I stopped searching the app and started changing how I entered it. The first thing I changed wasn't the menu, it wasn't the settings, it wasn't even the reward page. It was the coupon code. Instead of using random codes I found online, I activated the code that's on the screen before I started browsing anything. And honestly, that was the first time the app started showing me things I hadn't seen before. Almost immediately I noticed new coupon bundles, extra promotional banners, and finally, the free gift offers started appearing naturally. That's when it clicked. I wasn't looking in the wrong place. I was starting the app the wrong way. I even compared it with a few random working codes from other videos. Same phone, same account, completely different experience. Most of them left me with basic shopping offers. The code on the screen consistently gave me better coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, and a much more active free gift section. Now, whenever I open Temu, I don't waste time hunting through menus. I activate the code on the screen first, then let the app load the promotions. It saves me a lot of guessing. Now, let's keep this real. Does every account show the exact same layout? No. Temu changes promotions between users, but if you're wondering why everyone else seems to have free gift offers that you can't find, don't start by searching harder. Start with a code that's actually giving you access to better promotions. For me, that was the code on the screen. Activate the code on the screen before you start exploring the app. Then tell me, did the free gift offers finally start showing up for you too?